This brief tutorial will guide you through completing the electronic year-end data collection request. This information is required for the Retirement Advantage to prepare the necessary year-end compliance work for your retirement plan. To get started, click on the link within the year-end data collection request email received from your Client Relationship Manager at TRA. If you do not have this email readily available, you may also go directly to our secure plan sponsor link website at www.tra401kclient.com. Log in using your email address as your username and then enter your password. Please note that first-time users must register for the site by clicking the First-Time User link and entering their email address. Click Submit and a password will be sent to your email address shortly. If you have previously registered but forgotten your password, simply click the Forgot Password link and enter your email address. Click Submit and a new password will then be generated and sent to your email address momentarily. If you have any questions related to logging into the website, please contact our office at 888-872-2364. Upon logging into the system, you will see your active task list. Click on the words Begin Task next to the year-end data collection file to begin completing the information for your retirement plan. If you do not see this task, please contact our office at 888-872-2364 for assistance. Once you begin the task, the website will guide you through the various steps and information required. TRA has populated the information for you wherever possible. Step 1. General information. Please enter and update your company address and phone number accordingly. If additions are needed, click on the plus sign to add the information. If changes are needed, click on the edit icon and update as necessary. Each step does have the ability for you to add notes if there is additional information or clarification you would like to provide to TRA. Just click on the Notes icon to do so. Once data is complete and accurate, click the Save button and move on to the next step. Step 2. Company information. Similar to the last screen, please update or add information as necessary. Click Save and move on to the next step, which is Principals. This screen requests the ownership and officer information TRA requires for accurate compliance testing. Add, delete, and edit as necessary. As noted, percentages do need to total at least 100%. Firms with no ownership, like nonprofit entities, should just make one entry using the company name, enter no title, and 100% for ownership. Once the information is updated, click Save and move on to the next step. Step 4 is family. Family attribution is an important part of the regulations surrounding compliance testing for retirement plans. Please add, delete, and edit the information supplied as appropriate. As on the other tabs, once the information is updated, click Save and move on to the next step. Step 5 is businesses. Ownership in other businesses is an important part of the regulations surrounding compliance testing for retirement plans. Please add, delete, and edit information supplied as appropriate. A unique offering on this tab is the ability to add notes if you would like to provide us with additional information you feel would be helpful. Just click on the small post-it note icon to do so. Click Save once again and move on to the next step, which is Contacts. This step allows you to enter the contact information as it pertains to your plan, including who you wish TRA to have listed as a main contact, company officers, your financial advisor, plan trustees, your accountant, and others. Please add, delete, and edit information supplied as appropriate. Once completed, click Save and move on to the next step, which is plan level information. This tab is a series of questionnaire items required for TRA to effectively administer the compliance testing of your plan. If you need any assistance answering these questions, your TRA Client Relationship Manager is just a phone call away to help provide that question-by-question guidance. Just call our office at 888-872-2364. Questions labeled with a red asterisk are fields that require a response. Once complete, click Save and move on to the 5500 questionnaire. Step 8, 5500 questionnaire. This tab is a series of questionnaire items required for TRA to effectively prepare the IRS Form 5500, the tax form for your plan. If you need any assistance answering your questions, your TRA Client Relationship Manager is available by phone for that question-by-question guidance. Please give us a call at 888-872-2364 for help. Questions labeled with a red asterisk are fields that require a response. Once complete, click Save and move on to the Employees step. This is the step where the census data is collected. This step can be completed manually if desired, though an import-export feature is also available, which we highly recommend. If you prefer the manual approach, here are a few tips to consider. Click on the Field Descriptions link if you'd like an explanation of the various column headings and what data you should include. Change the grid view from compact to expanded. Scroll all the way to the right to edit, delete, or add staff as appropriate. When editing, be sure to complete all fields as necessary, including the hours of service field. The system will total the number of employees you entered, in this case, 3. Remember to enter all employees receiving W-2 or earned income wages, not just those participating in the plan. There is an error warning feature which will guide you through providing the most accurate information possible. Errors need to be corrected prior to submitting, and warnings can be ignored as long as the information is accurate. If you have any questions on this step, we encourage you to contact our office at 888-872-2364 for guidance. If you prefer to export the pre-populated information and format into Excel, here are a few tips. Click the Export button and the version of the Excel file you would like to utilize. Save this template to your computer prior to completing. Please note that the first tab includes instructions and the second tab is the area requiring completion. Update information for all employees receiving W-2 wages. Be sure to save the file to your computer again upon completion. To import, click the Import button. Select the file from your computer and click Import. To save, move to the Approval tab. The final step is the Approval and Census Submission step. If each step contains a green check mark, you are ready to click Sign and Submit. If you have any red X's, resolve these issues prior to clicking Sign and Submit. Keep in mind you can also add documents during this step as you could under the Documents tab. Upon clicking Sign and Submit, you will be asked to populate your name and email address. Upon submitting, TRA will be notified that your data collection was uploaded and our staff will take the steps necessary to complete the compliance work for your plan. Please remember that if you do not complete this step in its entirety, TRA may not be able to complete your compliance testing and reporting in a timely manner. You are encouraged to contact our office as needed to resolve any issues at 888-872-2364. This concludes our tutorial for completion of the year-end data collection request. If you have further questions, please contact our office at 888-872-2364.